Bonjour mes amis. So we are going to be using in this video the molds for the nails. These clips are going to come into handy. I got these off of Amazon. Of course, my brushes, and then the brush that came with the Moravan collection, which is good for the polygel. I'm also going to be trying out this new polygel. It is by Aimeili. I got this on Amazon. It's clear, so I want to see how this one works out. And then I'm going to be using the top coat and the base coat from the Moravan nail kit. And of course, my nail filer, nail clippers, and my slip solution, which is mostly 70% alcohol. And then a really fun glitters, which I'm super duper excited to use. I got these on Amazon as well. And then, of course, the last thing is the UV nail light. I have already opened all my glitters. Now I'm going to use the polygel. I'm going to take a little bit of the clear one and then grab my mold and place it onto the opposite tip, going towards the front of the nail. So you want to get a good size amount, pea-shaped, and then use your brush and just pat right through. Look, get some slip solution, and then I'm gonna just pat it right through. Make sure it is covered from wall to wall, and only have it covered halfway down, like towards your smile line of your finger. It's okay if a little glitter gets in there. And then you're gonna get your other brush and dip into your glitter and just tap that glitter onto the polygel. Let me bring this closer so you can see. And you want to cover the whole area, only half of the nail or half of the tip of the top of the nail. Once you like the way it looks, you're going to flash dry that for 30 seconds. Once it has finished curing under the light, you're going to get another pea size of the polygel, and this time place it towards the cuticle area. And then you're going to get your slip solution and your brush and just once again pat it down from corner to corner. It's important you make it thin or it's going to be too clumpy and not dry. You want to hold it and literally brush it down towards the glitter area. I'm actually gonna get just a little bit more of the polygel because I couldn't get enough to cover the whole entire nail. But once again, I'm gonna place it on there. Hopefully you get the right amount when you're trying this. And then repeat the process again, making sure it's flat and even. And then I'm gonna place that on my nail. Take this clip just to hold it in place. These actually are very helpful. And then of course, if you look under your nail, it might be gloppy a bit. So just take some slip solution and pat it down so it's not too messy at the bottom. This, if you get it on perfectly, then you can skip this step, but that never happens for me. So do this. And then I'm gonna place it in the light to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the process one more time. This one's going to be a little bit quicker. Now, as you can see for this time, I used a larger glob just so I can just smooth it down easily and I don't have to get some more polygel. So this, I'm going to hold it upside down and spread it over the entire nail, making sure it's thin but not too thin over the gel. Place this on my nail here. I'm holding it down just a little bit. The clip is mostly used for this part. And then I'm going to cure it in the light. Now that my nails are all done, I'm going to use my drill. You can also use your regular sander, but I like to use my drill. And I'm going to shape them out to exactly how I want the nails to be. And of course, I'm going to go under the nails just because I have some extra polygel under there and I want them to not be as thick. And I'm also going to go over the top just so they are nicely smooth and even. This is definitely the scary part for me because it seems like all my work is going to be erased. But I promise once you wash your hands and put that top coat, they shine just like normal. Of course, the final step is to put on the top coat, and I'm going to use the Moravan top coat from my previous video. I find why not use it until it's completely done. Frugal McGoogle here. So I'm going to coat each nail. They really came out pretty, to be honest. And then I'm going to cure it in the light for 60 seconds. And voila, here you have it. These came out really cute for my first time using glitter. Oh my goodness. I really like them. So definitely give this video a like. Do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.